Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ariel. If you're returning, hey. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get beach waves just like this. Very subtle, very natural, very flowy, very mermaid-ish beach waves. So keep watching. So the thing about getting waves is that you want it to look super sleek and shiny and full of luster. So my hair right now, I washed it last night and I let it air dry. I did not flat iron it or anything. This is my hair in its natural state, slept on. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to run my flat iron through it, because if I don't, then it's gonna be frizzy waves like right here at the center, and I don't want that. If you're okay with a puffy wave, then you can skip this step. Ooh, pretty. All right, so now that the waver is heated up, I got this off of Amazon, or I can link it in the description box below if you're interested, but this is the waver that I'm using. I'm actually gonna use my son's pink to just like make it a little bit shiny, just a little bit. I'm gonna rub it in my hands because you don't want too much, because it is a hair oil. It really can make your hair greasy, and I'm just gonna focus on the mid shaft. I'm not gonna put it on my roots. Whenever it comes to these waves, you want them to be as shiny and like lustrous as possible. If you use this, just make sure you don't use too much, because it is an oil moisturizer, okay? My son uses it to define his curls. Brush it through. I like to do like bigger parts so the waves can like flow and lay nicer. I don't want them to be super tight kinks. I've done this enough times to know how I don't like it and how I do like it, and for me, doing it like this works. So you can see I'm like halfway up my head. I'm gonna part my hair in the back so all my hair is on both sides. And I'm gonna split this into two parts and just start with the back. And for this, oh, that's high. Let me turn this down a little bit. I usually like to do it to where the clamp is going downwards, not upwards. I feel like it allows you to get closer to your roots. This feels really hot, okay. You want to go down like one wave at a time. You don't want to, I don't know how to explain it, but just like you see what I'm doing? I don't know. And then from the top. Okay. Okay, so you can see here, right? I only went down once, like one little wave. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm growing my natural nails out. Aren't they so cute? They're so little, but they're so cute. You probably can't see. I'm like obsessed with them. I just did a gel manicure. They're so cute. Okay. See, I don't like whenever this part's sticking out, but you guys get the idea. So this is where we're at. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil in. This side is sticking out. Oh, look at that shine, girl. Yes. So freaking pretty. All right, I'm gonna do this in 3 rows. The top, I'm gonna do nice and thin because I want to get it closer to the root. And again, just separate it into sections. Wow, I haven't put waves in my hair in so long. It's probably been like a good, has it been like 2 years? I don't think it's been 2 years. I think it's been like 2 years since I've put waves in my hair. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing over here that I did with the bottom row, and let's just put a little bit more pink in it. Like rub it in your hands really good if you're gonna do this. So freaking pretty. I'm not gonna put any hairspray in it because my hair gets frizzy from hairspray, especially in the humidity. So with me doing this, it's just gonna look more like natural waves as the day progresses on. This is where my part's gonna be, and I'm just literally gonna do the exact same thing that I've been doing. Well, really, you can separate it into 3 so you can get the very back. Literally just gonna follow the exact same steps. Back's done. Now we gotta do the side pieces. This piece I'm gonna hold at an angle going this way, because again, I don't like really harsh waves. Oh my goodness, that is just so freaking pretty. I am going to do like we've been doing. Put a little bit more pink in this top layer. And in the back. If we didn't get the back. If you like your waves super crispy, you can literally skip this part and just put some hairspray in. But I like my waves to like fall throughout the day so they look more natural and like beachy, I guess, and not super crispy and crunchy and stiff, because my hair will get frizzy. I don't, especially in this humidity. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, because I have these like kinks up here, and because I feel like this side is sticking out more than this side, I like to go back in with my flat iron and just like smooth stuff out a little bit, but that's just me. That's how I am. So we're gonna do that real quick. But essentially this is what we're working with. I just feel like this hairstyle just makes your hair look so like, I don't know, lustrous and like, look at this. And okay, I didn't document this, but my hair is like not in a good state right now. If you're not new here, if you've been here before, then you know I had black hair, and I've had black hair for like the past 7 or 8 years, and my hair is not black anymore. It's like a level, I think I'm at like a level 5 brown, and I had to bleach my hair. Like I did a whole color correction on myself. I stripped it. Then I did 2 bleach baths. I did 2 full bleaches. So like my hair is compromised right now. And the fact that it's as shiny as it is, I know we added that in, but even before I added this in, you could see how shiny my hair was. This just, I just love it. It's just so freaking pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and just smooth this out right here. Like I can't stand having uneven kinks or waves. It's like not my thing. actually irritates the fuck out of me. Just very lightly, see? Like I didn't really do too much. The waves are still waving. And then we're just gonna do it on this side too. And then that's literally it. I'm not gonna do anything else. See what I mean by frizzy? Yeah. That's why I will not put hairspray in, because it will just amplify that like 10,000 times. Okay, that's literally it. That's all. That's what we're working with. And then as the day goes on, they're just gonna, well, me personally, my hair, how my hair is, my hair is just gonna fall down a little bit, and it's just gonna be the prettiest waves. So pretty. But I will put some hairspray on this cowlick because I get those little strings. See them? You see them? You see them? Okay. I hate that, so I'm just gonna lay some hairspray right here. And that's it, girl. That's all. That is it. That is all. That's what the back's looking like. Didn't do too much manipulation back here, but yay. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.